Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to be decorating the spread in my social media planner, which I am now using the dashboard layout. I've had to redate it because this is the dashboard layout that doesn't start until July. So today is Wednesday the 14th. I am pre-filming, and hopefully you've already seen this video last week. And so now we are going to be decorating the spread for April 26th through May 2nd. I did go ahead and white out up here. This was August and September of 2022 because, like I said, I've redated this planner to go ahead and start using it now. So let's get started. Oh, I'm going to be using Colorful Leopard. That's kind of an important detail. I did pre-choose my stickers, so I'm going to try to make this video go quickly. I want to layer it now because this is my social media planner. I do use like every section in these 4 sections, so I can really only decorate just a tad on the left side. So we'll just try to save myself some writing room here. But I wanted to layer these 2 stickers. So the sticker says everything is going to be okay, and I thought it was appropriate because Monday the 26th I have a working interview, so I may or may not be getting a job. So we'll see how that goes. The working interview is for a vet tech position, which I was a vet tech. That's basically the only job that I know. I was actually a vet tech and a hospital practice manager. I don't want necessarily to do any kind of management stuff though. That's no fun. Just not my thing. So I just kind of want to go to work and be happy and do my job and go home, if you know what I mean. So I did that for about 12 years, and yeah, I just want to go be a vet tech. So that is what the working interview is for. So the Colorful Leopard sticker book has these really cute clear header stickers that I am going to use for my sections down here in the middle where so it says ASAP, the plan and work. So this is where I have been recording Instagram posts and reels, which I have not been recording my reels like I'm supposed to, but it is what it is. So hopefully I can get those started back soon. COVID just kind of set me backwards a few steps, but I am feeling better. So yesterday the 13th I went to my normal nurse practitioner, and he gave me a steroid injection for the tightness in my chest to just kind of, he said it would help me get over COVID a little quicker. So I was like, yes, please give it to me. So I am feeling better with that steroid injection. Now I want to pull in some of this leopard. I just don't know how to do that without it being like way too much. So I'm just not even going to do that. I'm just going to put these boxes for my stats down here, and I think I'm just going to kind of stagger them to fill in this bottom section. And so like I said, this is a pretty functional plan with me. So my catch-all dashboard layout videos and spreads are usually fairly decorative because I don't really write a whole lot in them. But if you need more of a functional dashboard layout, then these videos would be more for you. So let's see, I could take some of these and kind of just decorate and fill in the empty spots with these. So let's see what this looks like. That's cute there. And then I could probably come in and do, maybe do one here. Of course it's going to be on this gray background, but it is what it is. I'm not going to white this out. And my rooster is out there just crowing away. I don't know if you guys can hear him or not, but I can hear him through my headphones. He's a loud little fella. Alright, so that's cute. Okay, and so now I just need some headers up here, and I really wish that I had some washi to kind of cover this up. So I was thinking that I could just take this sticker that says be present in all things and just kind of try to take some of the, like try to take my eye off of that whiteout that was covering up August and September up there. I don't know how I'm going to like that. We'll see. All right, now, so I just need 2 headers to go up here. And I think I'm probably going to have to go to maybe the black and white sticker book and see if there's any just black stickers. I could go to colorful boxes if there's not any in here. Don't really like those. Oh, here, no. I mean, I could always just cut these little, I don't know, those might be cute. Let's try it. Just need headers up here so I can label. I was going to say, if you wanted to, you could cut these little notches off. Still totally an option to make this just a regular colorful box, but I think they're kind of cute. And they kind of take away from this whiteout that's up here as well. Alright, so I think that is cute there. Now, I'm going to leave this out because I may need some for this side. Let's go ahead and I think I'm going to take one of these corners and cover up where it said 2022 up here. Well, okay, like this. I got myself a little confused there for a minute. So we're going to go up here to the top, and then I'm going to have to cut off the extra clear outline because these stickers don't go all the way, or the color doesn't go all the way to the edge of the sticker, so it's like clear on the edge. No biggie, we'll just trim that off. Alright, now I'm going to take a big pink box and kind of put here. So like I said, I have that working interview, whoops, on Monday, so I don't really know like what my filming schedule is going to look like for this week. Hopefully I can get some filming done for the week of the 3rd for you guys, but I normally film like Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday if I need to finish up, but since I'm doing the working interview on Monday, I have no idea what the rest of the week is going to look like for me, so I'm just putting boxes randomly. Alright, and so I thought that this colorful leopard sticker book also has these really cute work stickers, and so I'm going to put one on Tuesday just to kind of notate like a filming day. So we'll put that there, and then if I need to, I can film on Friday. Like I said, I have no clue what this week holds for me, so it's kind of like a big guess right now at this point. So it's basically just laying stickers down. So let's put this bluish colored Today sticker up here on Monday. I think that's crooked. And then we'll put the green one. Maybe over here on Sunday. I don't know if I like that or not, but we'll see. And then I've got this Purpose Fuels Passion sticker that I thought would be cute on Monday, because if I do take a job, I'm going to need some extra encouragement to continue doing the filming and all of the social media stuff, because I haven't worked in like 11 years, so yeah, there's that. It's going to be a lot on me. And then I thought these little shades would be cute just on this little pink sticker. Alright, now I need some just kind of like filler stickers. So that's cute. Maybe some more of these. Maybe one here. And maybe one here. just kind of fill in some of the empty spots, but still leave myself room to write. Just got to get it straight. It's the only thing I don't like about these clear stickers that have like the clear edges. It's kind of hard to line them up, or it is for me anyway. All right, and then let's take this one and maybe put it right here. Oops, not far enough. It's a two-handed job. Oh my goodness, y'all. Y'all are probably sitting there screaming at the screen. Just put the sticker down. Just put the sticker down. Okay. I don't know. I don't like that. Okay. Sorry. After all that, we're going to pull that sticker up. Let's put this. Nope. It's still in that line. So, what do I do? Then I feel like I got too much over here. I think I'm going to move this. Go back, put this back down. Over here. I got a mess. Figure it out, lady. Figure it out. Okay, and then we're going to put, let's put this down here. And I still feel like I got that going on. I don't know. I think I'm just going to have to just leave it alone and just quit. I wonder what this would look like over here. I'm trying to like offset all of that diagonal leopard print that I've got going on. Okay, that's a little better. But now I feel like I need something over here. So, let's see. I could put one more. So let's see, I have blue, pink, and green. So we could put this tan color over here to kind of offset. No, let's find a different type of box. Bear with me, y'all. I'm going to get it figured out. I wonder if I could just take this work sticker and move it over here. No. Maybe move it over here. That kind of fills it in a little bit there, doesn't it? Okay, I think I'm gonna leave this alone. Yeah, it's just gonna be, it is what it is. Alright, so hopefully y'all enjoyed this very basic functional video. If you did, I hope you will give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you would consider subscribing. Make sure you go follow me over on Instagram if you're not following me there already. This is it. I will see y'all on my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.